reached across the space, preparing for departure.
Let me start with something uncomfortable. Right now, time is not moving at the same speed everywhere. For you, it's normal. For your phone, slightly different. For a satellite above your head, different again. And somewhere in the universe, time almost stops. Which is rude, because the rest of us still have deadlines. Today, we're talking about the strangest places ever discovered. Places where time slows down, stretches, and nearly breaks. Not science fiction, not theories from movies. Real places, described by real physics that really exist. This shouldn't feel real. Here's the weird part. There is no single time speed in the universe. Time depends on two things, motion and gravity. Move fast enough, time slows down. Stand near something massive enough, time slows down. Do both, time barely moves at all. And the universe has places where both happen at once. That's where things get uncomfortable. The rule that broke everyone's brain. This story starts with Einstein. He discovered something simple, but terrifying. Gravity isn't just a force, it's a distortion of space and time. The stronger the gravity, the more time bends. Near Earth, the effect is tiny. You don't feel it. But near massive objects, time slows down noticeably. Satellites in orbit experience time slightly faster than we do on Earth. So fast, in fact, that GPS systems must constantly correct for it. Yes, your phone knows Einstein better than most humans do. Now, imagine gravity not from a planet, but from something far worse. Where gravity gets serious. Let's talk about neutron stars. They're the collapsed cores of massive stars, incredibly dense. 1 teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh more than Mount Everest. Time near a neutron star slows down dramatically. Stand close enough, and minutes for you could be hours for someone far away. But neutron stars are only the warm-up, because beyond them are black holes, the edge where time breaks. Black holes are the most extreme objects we know. Their gravity is so intense that space collapses inward and time follows. Near a black hole, time slows down so much that from the outside, it almost stops. This boundary is called the event horizon. Cross it and time, as seen by the universe, freezes. An object falling in appears to slow, stretch, and never quite cross the edge. From the outside, at least. Inside, it's a different kind of bad day. This is the closest thing we know to a place where time nearly stops. Not metaphorically, literally. The most extreme place we can imagine. The most extreme case? A rotating supermassive black hole. Near its edge, time dilation becomes absurd. 1 hour near the horizon could equal years, decades, or more elsewhere. In theory, you could travel into the future just by standing close enough. Which sounds cool, until you realize you can't come back. This isn't fantasy. It's a direct consequence of the equations that describe reality. The universe allows it. Whether it wants to is unclear. Why we're not visiting anytime soon. Before you get ideas, no, we can't go there. Anything approaching that region would be torn apart by tidal forces. Atoms stretched, structures destroyed, everything separated. Time might slow down, but survival ends much faster. The universe is very consistent about that. So these places exist, but they are not destinations. They're boundaries, limits, warnings written into reality itself. Why this matters? Here's why scientists care. Time behaving differently isn't just a curiosity. It affects how the universe evolves, how stars live and die, and how galaxies form. Understanding time under extreme gravity helps us understand the beginning of the universe and possibly its end. Black holes aren't just monsters, they're laboratories, dangerous ones, but incredibly honest. Physics does not lie, it just doesn't apologize. Perspective. So, is there a place where time almost stops? Yes, several. They're silent, invisible, and completely indifferent to us. Time is not universal. It bends, it stretches, it slows. And somewhere out there, the universe is barely moving forward at all. If this kind of cosmic strangeness fascinates you, you might want to stay. More journeys are coming. Across the Space is just getting started. Until next time, keep looking up.